Good afternoon. Welcome to 19 Elmwood Street in Salisbury, Massachusetts. This home has it all. It has 4 bedrooms. Oh, I'll tell you all when we get inside. Come on in. Floor plan. This was designed as a formal dining room. They use it as a TV room. It would make a great library. It also works wonderfully for entertaining because of the high ceilings with the coffered. And there's a medallion up there. So you enter into a foyer, coat closet, powder room, huge 2-car garage. Let me show you. Just a fabulous oversized 2-car garage. Then we come into great open space. Definitely wonderful for today's entertaining. I always think that the kitchen is the heart of the home. And here you just have a beautiful white kitchen, stainless steel appliances, great island, separate dining area, and then it opens onto this fabulous living room with a gas fireplace. Perfect for today's entertaining and lifestyle. Come on upstairs. Welcome to the 2nd floor. The primary bedroom suite is the whole back half of the house. It consists of this huge bedroom. The ensuite bath has tile floor, double sinks, its own linen closet, and a shower and tub combination. There's a double closet and then laundry room closet combination. They've used it more as a laundry room. There's an entrance to the pull-down attic, but you could certainly deck this out as a huge closet, walk-in closet as well. The other walk-in closet is set off with a closet system inside. Enormous ceiling height, so you could do anything up above. And this is part of the wing of 2 bedrooms that are set apart from the rest of the upstairs. So you have a bamboo floor, nice open bedroom with double closet and skylight. Bedroom number 3 is even more secluded. Again, is huge. Double closet, skylight, vaulted ceiling, ceiling fan. Of course, the whole house has central air conditioning. The 4th bedroom has double windows towards the front of the house, a bamboo floor, again ceiling fan, and great closet. And then we also go to the family bath, which is located right here. Linen closet, tile, double sink, walk-in shower. When you're not inside enjoying the central air conditioning, you can be out on this back deck that is fabulous. Obviously conducive to growing some great potting vegetables and this incredible landscaped yard. There's irrigation out there. You have water in the beds. It just is a beautiful oasis for birds as well as family entertaining. Come enjoy 19 Elmwood Street in Salisbury. Be here all weekend for open houses. Call for details. Thanks.